Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new here, I'm Angie and I would love for you to spend the morning with me. If I'm being completely honest, this is not a typical morning for me. This is more of what my morning looks like on the weekend, but it's definitely a goal that I'm working towards. I'm not a morning person at all, so I really like to take advantage when I can wake up past 9 and just move slow. And it's so weird because I do have a toxic relationship with productivity. I just always feel like I have a lot of wasted potential that I could be working towards, even if it means sacrificing rest. Overall, I think my main issue is being efficient, but don't let me get started. Let's get into this routine, starting off with this face wash. This stuff is my jam. I think this takes the cake for my favorite cleanser at the moment. It's by Heal, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce the full name, but I have 3 different cleansers in my shower right now, and you can just tell the difference. It removes makeup, and it just leaves your skin feeling really clean yet hydrated, so you don't feel like stripped. It just feels cleaner and lighter. I love to start with my face, but now we're going into our body with this EOS body wash. EOS is like an OG. I think everyone loves EOS, at least I do. Not only does it smell great, but there's a lot of great ingredients for soft skin, but it cleanses gently and it's also pH balanced. So that doesn't mean go start using it down there. It just means it is pH balanced for your skin. So no messing up your skin's natural acidic barrier, which might lead to dryness or eczema and irritation. As someone with eczema, it feels really good to have a body wash that I can confidently use, that smells good and does not irritate my skin. And I've said this before, but I will say it again, L'Occitane is one of my favorite brands, guys. They just get it. Their products are on the more expensive side, but a little treat now and then is so worth it. This scrub is a little bit light, but it's extremely moisturizing and it smells like almonds, vanilla. The packaging is beautiful and it just makes me feel like I'm doing my body good. And she absolutely deserves that and all the good things. And this reminds me, I actually have a great routine for soft feet, soft heels. So if you want to see that, leave a comment in the comment section. All right, we're all done in the shower, so let's head out and finish up our routine. And this is somewhat random, y'all, but I just love lounging apparel. Like, I need 10 more robes, at least. All right, starting off very strong with my girl. I use this mist for quite literally everything. Outside the shower, during midday, after makeup, anything you can think of, I use her. This is my go-to moisturizer at the moment by LMS. Not quite sure if I pronounced the name right, but hopefully I did. This is my go-to moisturizer at the moment. I got it in PR and it's a pretty standard moisturizer, honestly. It's not heavy at all and low-key, it's actually a night cream. One product I'm trying to be more consistent with is a sunscreen. Truly, it should be reapplied multiple times a day, but I'm not that grown yet, but one day. Another thing I would love to be a lot more consistent with is eye cream. My bags are so bad, like they're horrible, and I've considered filler and everything, but I'm just gonna keep working and thugging it through with my eye cream, y'all, and hopefully it gets better. A friend told me this product works really well, so I've just been trying to use it and hopefully I see results soon. I'm not gonna lie, this product I was actually influenced on TikTok to purchase. I heard everyone raving about it. It is a deodorant that has mandelic acid, and I have really dark underarms, so I'm excited about it. I purchased it like 2 weeks ago. Hopefully we get some results as well. I'm gonna check back in. This next product is from a brand that is quickly becoming one of my favorites. Noise is just a very clean, fresh brand that is also extremely unique. Like, the last product they sent me was their perfume milk, and what I'm using now is actually their solid perfume in the scent Rinse Cycle, which I absolutely love. It feels and smells like just second skin. So it's great for layering, but also if you don't want to do too much, but still, do enough. And as we're wrapping up body care, we're finishing with last but absolutely not least, L'Occitane. Again, one of my faves. This is the Amande Sublime Body Butter. I love this stuff. I had another container. Now I have this one. And when I tell you, my fiance has used a lot more than me because he just loves it so much as well. And if there's any product I highly recommend trying out of everything, it's that body butter for sure. Okay, so I know how important it is to get enough protein, but the way they've been pushing protein lately is actually kind of interesting. It's spooky. Like protein popcorn, protein Pop Tarts. Like it gets to a point. I've learned there's something else that is just as important, if not more, and it's fiber. This has been my morning cocktail lately. This is the Metamucil 4-in-1 fiber, sugar-free. It's orange flavored. I feel like they're all orange flavored, but I don't know. But it's orange flavored and it's actually not gross. It does get extremely thick if you wait too long, but it's not like disgusting. And then I mix it with some ground flax seeds, which also contain a high amount of fiber. But tread lightly, this stuff gets you going, okay? What you said,